Hi, I'm Josh Cook, and we're going to be going through changing some of the bulbs on this car with Euro car parts. So the first thing we're going to change is a headlight bulb on the front. To do this, the first thing we have to do is take the cap off the back of the headlight. That's the easy bit. And then the next step is getting your hands inside the headlight, and there's a little plastic clip that you'll just twist to pull the bulb out. So now I've pulled the little plastic bulb holder out. The next thing is to unclip the bulb, which we have here, and we've got the new item to replace it. Again, one of the really important things to make sure that you don't do is touch the bulb. What can happen is you transfer grease and oil from your fingers, and it can cause the bulb to prematurely fail. So we then attach the bulb back into the metal bracket, and then we'll reinsert it back into the headlight. Put it in the correct hole, you know. So one to always remember is your number plate light bulb. If this is out, then it is actually an MOT failure, and it's pretty easy. On this car, there's literally a little plastic tab. You can just do it with your finger, you push it in, and the whole bulb holder comes down. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just gently unplug it, and sometimes you need a little screwdriver for this. Just pop it in there and unclip it. The next step to this is literally twisting the actual bulb holder itself, and it comes out of the casing. And you can see that bulb is very dark where it's blown. So it just pulls straight out of that, and then being very careful, you can slot a new one just in. Assembly is literally the opposite. Twist it back into the main case. You plug it back in. That's now working. Job done. So we're going to have a look at the reversing light. That doesn't work on the car. To get to the rear light, the first thing you've got to do is open this little hatch here, and you get access to the sprung-loaded little nut that you have to undo by hand. And once you've undone that, you'll be able to pull the light out, the whole light unit out the back. So there's that removed. Then we give this a little wiggle. Sometimes they take a bit of persuasion. There we go. And then we can unplug the rear light and have a look. So that's the whole light unit removed. So you want to be really careful with these clips because they are ultra brittle. And you just very gently release the inner unit. So to remove this bulb, very simply, just gently hold on to the bulb. You push it down very slightly, you turn it anti-clockwise, and it will just release out. To fit the new one, opposite process. Locate the lugs, push it down, turn it clockwise, and that's locked in. So while we're here, I've also noticed that the side light bulb is looking pretty dark. So just as a precaution while we're here, we're going to pop that one out, replace it with a new one. Now we're going to reassemble the light unit and get it put back in the car. So as easy as that, those bulbs are changed. And if you need to get any of your bulbs, shop at eurocarparts.com.